guys. All right, so we've come down here to try something a little bit different today. Just gonna fly the drone up here on the top of this hill because it's actually a really cool spot with some cool views. And we've got Bels and Piggy up here as well, so we'll see how that goes. Oh, here she comes. Hey, Piggy. Come right up here. Come up here, Piggy. Here we go. Hey, Piggy. Nice. Yep, you got it. Perfect. Okay, Piggy. Thanks, Piggy and Bels. Hey, and just quickly while we're up here, I'm keen to see how this thing goes in sport mode on a nice big flat area. So let's see how it works out here. We're in sport mode, let's rip it. I was dicing with death there. Okay, let's try this way. Alrighty, so as I'm packing up, there was another flight with the DJI Mini SE. Not too bad. Got a few shots of Bels and Piggy riding there. That's cool. Those guys look pretty cool. And also some shots in sport mode there. Just testing how it went. Nothing too dramatic like you'd see with the FPV drone pilots. No, mate, I'm just amateur. This is just for fun. Hey, and I hope you had fun too. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.